Hello. Hello.
Yeah.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Good. Thank you so much for helping today. Some of our friends on the YouTube channel may recognize Gabo or Hasford. I've worked with him on a road before. He's been to my wife's birthday party. So he's kind of famous. Normally, if these are installed correctly, the tank is resting against the wall, so when you push back, if you like scoot back too far, you're not going to sort of put pressure on the tank. There's just two plastic screws holding that tank to the bowl. And you lean back, they break, and all the tank water comes out. Sometimes it's in the middle of the night when that happens, and it's terrifying. Gabo's going to put a little spacer in there so it won't push back. It's not our place, so we don't want to like spend a lot of money trying to reinstall the hose, so this will do it. Oh no, I see. Oh, so that was broken and they just taped it.
Yeah, it was broken already, yes.
What? Hello. Oh, Kitty does not want to be on camera. Kitty.
It's finished.
Oh. No, I've got it. Multiple angles. We have a new toilet seat. The other one we sat on and broke. Oh, this one's a little nicer. Ooh, I need to clean that toilet too. Okay, thank you.
My name is Hasford, Eshun, and I'm a plumber. I do all types of plumbing works, inside work, outside work, and also I do biodigester. The one, when the toilets and I fix all over. So if you need anything, you can contact me or you can ask Mr. Toby or Ham so that you call me, then I can come and do your work for you. Thank you.
Fantastic. Thank you, Hasford.
Yeah.